I will give you a full editing guide to help you edit your first Roblox rant. I will be using Davinci Resolve as my editing software, but you can also use CapCut. First, you want your background gameplay. I will use Roblox Obby gameplay, but anything else works fine. When you got the background, you want to get some AI voiceover. This could also be whatever you like. It can be a 5 facts you did not know, or just a classic rant with just yapping about a topic. Now you want to cut out most of the dead space in the voiceover so you can get that flow going. Now you probably got gameplay with a story going on. So now you need to add some captions because many watch without sound. You can either use the fast one word or you can have the longer caption style. This can even be done on CapCut by using the auto captions feature. Lastly, you want to add some memes with some sound effects to make the viewer more engaged. Examples for the sound effects can be Vinebone and breaking Lego effect. Now you should have a full short done with gameplay voiceover captions and some memes going on. Here is how mine turned out. Is it just me? Or whenever I have something very important to do, like doing my homework or studying for my test, I just forget it. Like, bro, my brain goes like, let's just forget this so we can do something else. And when it's time to go to sleep, I just suddenly remembered it. And after that, I will just be laying down regretting my life choices because my mom will absolutely beat the heck out of me for doing everything except doing what I need to do. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button, and if God got anything wrong, just comment and I will help you.